Hi, I'm Michael with DIY Dad SoCal, and I'm here to show you an awesome storage solution I found for our bathroom in our 2021 Jayco Precept 34G. In the bathroom, there was a panel that wasn't removable. It had two screws, and if you unscrewed them, it showed access to some plumbing and wiring at the bottom, but there was a lot of wasted space. So in this video, I'll show you what I did. I've already done the work, so I'm just going to walk you through it. And then in the description below, I'll provide a link to my blog post where I have more in detailed steps, as well as links to the parts you can use to do the same thing. Okay, right besides the toilet is the panel I'm talking about. Let's get down here close. It's right here. Okay, so there was two screws, one here and one over here. I removed those screws, okay, and then it had wiring down below. I actually cut a piece of board and some 2x4s to raise it up a little bit, and then I had some vinyl flooring that actually matches pretty closely to the flooring in the RV already. You can't really tell it doesn't match. So I used that vinyl stick and peel flooring on top of the piece of plywood I put in there. And you can see I can house a big huge jug of the wastewater, toilet water treatment. I got some extra shampoo bottles, some suntan lotion. So I did raise it up about 5.5 inches. The reason I raised it up about that height is there was still a hole in the back corner underneath there that ran into the back bedroom, so I wanted to get the shelf above it, and then I did have to put a board over here on the other side because there was a little gap there too, so I didn't want anything falling down in between. To address this solution, I bought some cabinet magnets, and so I put four, one in each of these corners, and then I did use the tape that came with it, the double-sided tape, but I also put two screws in this piece. And then on the back of the panel, I put in the same corners, I put the magnet catch, but I just used the double-sided tape there because it was real thin. And then I just purchased some doorknobs, so you can pick whatever you like. I found some black matte ones, and then the screws were too long. Luckily, I have a container of other screws, and I was able to find the ones that worked. And then I just used a washer just to make sure it didn't go through. And so that all you have to do is just slide this in place. Let's see, down here, and then you just push it in the corners, and then it magnetically catches. So a great way to add some storage for those long road RV trips where you have some extra supplies you want to take with you. Please like and subscribe this video, and take a look at some of the other videos I'll post regarding some upgrades I do to my motorhome. Thank you.